Pwanete na basani bane bakanga batebinga in order for us to arenge umukutano igo manene. I don't want to mention ngai tu arenge ngateba nga let us revive the party yumugusi yali kuruku for people tokanyoranja amerutu na Jubilee. So lero na tokukwana abantu bakubuli matiyange yakubuli chikura koru because abu atiki party party is very important. Abande baachire na ngakikuru upya ose upa upa you see upa, that is a village party. I want to be sincere. That is a village party. You see secretary general yakuru utembo basi party litanga yakuru nyamira. That is a village party.
No, Mheshimiwa na Julius, Mheshimiwa Julius. Egero kwana by the way party ya UP tali ya rotwa lukwandira gaiga. Lakini goka ntiko tabanga ki andake expectation nira bagusiba kagiritenga andake omuske Dr. Freda ngwira na rali yekro yale kopanga urali ringa bene ninche nonko boli kuri party yerende kiyalo chakobagusi.
Now we katobye ke mechanisms chinge ya to kolenta abantu ime.
Yes.
Abantu from other regions. Unabono I'm happy the way ndo chama nyuminda woncho kanana. I'm proud of him.
Yes.
The other day was in Kajiado, balingi no museneta ka proudly akateba nganja supporting Matiang'i. Na alenge Western. I mean, he's really trying. Koge na alenge na roje bale na ba jumbe bali bangete wa Munyoro. Abantu bamwabo oliri nchera yo kubalenta amo baje mesa bagambe bayigwana ne batike bitina bamu support. And that is now what we call politics. Again, toga iganche nkolera onye twale korosi party what structures. There are some people bangeta utiga na nindu jinga barabu mbali mulengo li Munyamato. Iko baru mulengo o bategete so mulengo muya. And actually no ligereria abantu bategete the new parade, the new party, the new system. Abantu abanyebonspi gwaro cyo mwiko yondoko tebanga umuntu tete gwakara chikura no muntu utanya ko bana na Moi utalenge na Moi utalenge na Kibaki otale urenge no huru lakini bali bichumagega ndo batageti asenge njonga mbama jete rupols chubo hivi ndo batageti bono ndo muntu gojo muya o chache asavise ense yitero rekane and